like our mind is built in such a way that it always protects us.
Correct.
The first instinct or the first thing that the mind wants to do is to protect you. That is
Correct.
how it is designed. Okay.
Right.
So the minute that you say that I think I have a pain, I just can't do this, the mind is gonna be like, stop it.
Stop it. Right.
That's what is the message that which you give, which the mind gives. But
Right.
that is not where you have to stop.
Hi, Shudha. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good, Shudha. I was just talking to the people around. We're talking to the audience that, there was a technical glitch, and that's pretty much common in India. Like sometimes either it's the internet that doesn't work properly or sometimes it's power. So, but no way it's looking like, you are sitting around a lot of candles. Oh,
there you go.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. That's actually good. And, so in that entire, candles arranged, you can cite a lot of melancholic stories of, that we were actually talking about. So that's something which we can build.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Anyways, to tell everyone about you, Shudha. So Shudha and me, we have been colleagues earlier. We have worked together. And the best part about Shudha, as a person, as a girl, that has always inspired me is that never giving up attitude that I have seen in her. And there are a lot of her videos and stories that I've seen where she's working out rigorously. And even recently, while the lockdown started, if I'm not wrong, you started some kind of challenge. So it was a fitness challenge that you started. And I can vividly remember those videos of, climbing up the steps. Actually, I don't know.
Using what's there at home during the lockdown.
Exactly. So that's something which I'm sure would have inspired a lot of people. So anyway, Shudha, that's something which I have, described a bit about you. But I want you to talk every single thing about you through this platform. So, so that we can take that session ahead. It can be about you, where you come from, how have you been till here, and then finally, of course, the theme of the session is fitness for life. So definitely, we'll get into that. So we can begin with this. Go ahead, Shudha, please.
Awesome. Thank you, Prashant, for having me today. I feel very privileged to be here.
my honor.
Yeah, and I'm really happy about this initiative that you're doing, and bringing people who are aspiring to achieve something in life which is missing. You're bridging the gap, actually, which is like really good. Hats off to you for that.
Thank you so much.
So to talk about fitness, basically, yes, I have been a dancer since my childhood, basically.
Okay.
Been touched upon all types of, all forms of dancing, starting from Bharatanatyam and, Kuchipudi, and then hip hop, and then the salsa, and then even got into Kalaripayattu, then a bit of a ballet, and then finally I found my passion lying in belly dancing. So that's what I took up.
Okay.
But it just so happened that I was this one who's just fighting against my family that I want to be a dancer, I want to do this, dance is my life and everything, because they were just not agreeing me to like get into it fully. But one fine day they were just like, actually, you know what, you just go ahead, live your dream. And then I was just like, okay, I think I achieved what I want. And I was just like, now what next? So that's when fitness came into, existence in my head, basically. So that's when I took up fitness, and till date, it's been there with me more than my dancing. I think right now, at this point of time, I look fitness as a way of life, rather than just building something, or like apart from all of that, it's about your lifestyle, right? It's a part of, because
daily
most
living,
of the times that's what I think most of the people who are missing out. I just want to like send a message to them saying that, you know what, it's not about like like get up, you have to lose weight, you have to like do that, you have to do this. It's not that, right? Most of the times that's what is keeping people not get into fitness, because they just feel obligated about
it. Right. Correct.
Yeah. If you're pushing someone which they're not enjoying, definitely they're not gonna like, get into it. They're not gonna take it up as a part of their life anymore. They're just going to retaliate against it, you know.
Right,
So
right.
that is something that they have to realize, that it is just like how you eat, how you sleep. You just have to like do few workout to just keep your self fit and nice. Like
Correct.
basically it's about loving yourself.
Right,
Like
right, right.
I just feel if you really love yourself, if you really do respect yourself, really respect the way you're supposed to, right?
Correct, correct,
It's the
correct.
skin with which you're in, so you better like take care of that, you know. So that's about it. And then I just also feel like it helps in like beating your stress, be it decisions that you have to make, a lot of things, like, it just makes
Correct.
your head clear.
Right,
And
right.
it's about eating right. And I've been like into food as well. Like I've
Right,
had
right.
my own business. I'm sure you
The big
know that
box
very
theory,
well,
the big
because
box theory.
yeah,
The big box theory. Of course,
because I
yeah.
started when I met you, you know.
Right, 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 right.
So yeah, that's also been a journey. I've worked with a lot of people who's been like a fitness enthusiast, people who wanted to lose weight, people who wanted to who aspired to be fit, all kind of people. So that also gave me like a lot of input about how people are dealing with fitness, basically,
Right, 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 right.
So that's also another thing. So now it's just become like a part of my life. I eat right and I just keep it clean, and obviously I just stopped eating meat recently, by just so that you know. So that's what's
Nice.
happening. So it's really a nice journey. I think everybody has to just get a hang of it. It's just about that some time that you have to like give in to realize
Correct.
what it actually gives you back,
Right, right, right.
Once you
So true.
once you taste it, I don't think you have a looking back,
People would love
I
to get
think,
into that pain every morning, right? Yeah, that's true.
yes,
That's true.
no
That's
pain, no
true.
gain.
No pain, no gain. Exactly. So, so when you actually spoke about so many of your dance forms that you are already into, so I felt that I have got
Yeah.
you into a wrong session for a moment, for a while. I thought that you are actually, so now this will be in my mind that next time again when we are, organizing sessions with dancers, that time you will have to come once again with us and talk about all
Yeah,
those
yeah.
single dance forms and, at what stage of life you have learned that and
I
your
would love
exploration
to. Yeah,
and the
yeah, I would.
exploration behind it. But
Yeah.
definitely about your, the fitness thing that I have anyways already told all my friends who were there with me today. I spoke to them about that, from this month onwards, we are going to start with this fitness
Yeah.
regime, and the entire stories will be cited on the fitness part. Because it's not just about, people who are into gymming or people who are, like extensive working out, but it's also that people who are moving out of the cult prospect of a cult, as in like traditional way of
Yes.
working out, heavy
Yes.
weightlifting to moving towards yoga. So we have people joining
Absolutely.
us like that as well. So I want to
Yeah.
understand from you, like, how many years had it been for you into working out extensively like this, or like since how many years have you been into working?
Easily about 7 to 8 years, only into fitness. This is apart from my dancing.
Achha, only
Yeah.
into fitness. That's nice.
Yes.
7 to 8 years,
Yeah.
and so
Yeah.
that's of course it's pretty much visible the way you are. The way you walk, the way. No, actually, I always feel this. I even I'm not a guy who has been into working out for a long time.
Yeah.
So I
I know
started.
that.
Exactly. So my way of working out, it's like some 4 or 5 years back I joined gym. I worked out, I started working out there for like, it was hardly for 2 months, then took a break for 6 months, then again did for 1 month, then took again a break of 6 months. So finally, if I show you behind me, there is, it's, what do you say? If you can see
Pull up
this.
bar.
So that's
Yeah.
here, that's here in my house. We
I
have a
remember
pull-up.
you mentioning this. Yes.
Exactly. So it's a pull-up bar that's there in my house, and I'm telling you this is, it's been almost 1 year for me having this pull-up bar in my hall, and
Yeah.
for the first 2 to 3 months, I actually worked out rigorously, as in at least taking six, the one that you do pull-up thing, at least
Yeah.
on a daily basis. But then after a
Yeah.
point of time, slowly and gradually, somehow again, it's also about the interest. So I still do that, but mainly I hang my clothes. So yeah, That's but no, this is not the message that I want to send out. The message that I want
Yeah,
to
I wanted to say that.
exactly. This is
I'm
not the
sure
message.
a lot of people doing that. I'm sure a lot of
Exactly,
people have
exactly.
workout instruments, like at least a small dumbbell or some
Definitely.
like a skipping rope,
Correct,
but they're
correct.
all like, kept in some place which they would have forgotten, like where
Right,
they've
right.
kept probably. But I
Correct,
think
correct.
lockdown has somehow opened up, options, or opened up their minds rather towards the fitness. I just feel that.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah, I go for a run every morning,
Hmm.
and I see during this lockdown, a lot more people have joined, us on the road. Like there are
Correct,
so
correct.
many people who's just come out because they just think that they have nothing much to do,
Correct,
because they're
correct.
just at home, they're not able to go out, not
Right.
doing like anything interesting like how they used to be. And of course, like their eating out has, cut down.
Reduced.
And
Yeah.
probably, yeah, and probably like even the alcohol intake probably also has
Definitely,
reduced. I
definitely.
mean, I'm just
Everything.
guessing so.
No, no, no,
So
that's
they
true with
just
everyone, I'm sure.
yeah, so I'm very glad that a lot of people has inclined towards keeping themselves fit, or just go for a walk and just freshen up your mind. At least starting from there is like a good start point for a lot of people. So that is also something that anybody can do. Like even like an
Actually,
older person. Yeah,
actually. And that's
just
what,
go for.
actually, and that's what, I had a thought. Why is it that, people always have to think about going to gym? Like whenever we in a discussion with anyone, whenever we have a chat, normally say, हाँ
Yeah,
हम तो अगले महीने से gym join करेंगे, or I'm planning to join gym. That's
yeah,
what I want to understand. That gym isn't into the culture these days. It has been a part of lifestyle, and I still feel that
yes,
there are very few people who go to the gym regularly with a mindset of working out and getting themselves fit. Rather, it has been a part of trend these days that everybody has
yeah,
to go to
yeah.
the gym. But
It's
actually, if you
fashion.
see, yeah, actually, it's
Yeah,
fashion. But
yeah.
I feel that there are a lot of exercises where we do not need those instruments. Maybe, I mean, if somebody is able to lift up their own body weight, I think that's more than
Yeah,
enough for that person. So you probably don't need
absolutely.
those instruments where you need to get into heavy weight lifting. So
Yeah.
that's
I
one
just
thing.
feel it all starts here, right?
Correct, correct, right,
First, you need to like make up your mind that you at
right,
least want to like do some kind of, rejuvenation to your body. You're not
correct,
just not like sitting in front of the laptop, or just doing something which is on a daily basis and repeat that routine. And your body
true,
is just going to get rusted, if I
correct,
can use
correct.
that word.
Yeah, yeah,
And one
true,
more
so
thing I
true.
want to add is to say, like, it's never tomorrow,
Right,
it's today, like
correct.
it's now.
It's
And
now.
what we do, especially when it comes to fitness, is we say we'll start Monday, or
Ha,
we'll start on first,
first,
or we'll
correct,
wait for the New Year's resolution,
correct, 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 correct.
This is the most, people's decision when it comes to fitness. They're like, tomorrow, let's just
कल
start,
करते हैं
like
हाँ
from Monday, let's finish this weekend. We'll just eat and do everything possible, and let's start fresh on Monday. And Monday, what happens? They're tired. And then they miss out on Tuesday somehow. Probably they would do on Wednesday just about like a bit of a workout, or probably they would have cleaned their, instruments and kept ready for the workout. And then weekend hits and they're like, acha, agle Monday will start. So that is something that they have to like think that when it comes to anything for that matter, just start right now, like today. Let's just not
correct,
like push it. So
correct,
that's
correct.
when you asked for this video, I was like, this is the first time I'm just gonna go live. I'm not sure how it's gonna go.
No,
But
no.
I was like, let's just do it. It's a nice experience also.
It's actually fun. So what happens is when I'm normally, when I'm casually sitting with you, whenever we have a chit chat casually, so the kind of discussions that we have,
Yeah.
it's very much, haywire at times here and there. But
Yeah.
when we are focused and we are focused with talking about certain topics. So the ideas that we throw, knowing that there would be people who are going to say this. So we are pretty much sure
Yeah.
that what we want to talk. And then
Yeah.
since we know that we are going to talk about fitness more, so, it would be great, Shudha, if you can talk more from the inspiration part, as in, you know, I understand that, you
What
figured this
drives
out.
you?
Yeah, exactly. What
Yeah,
drives you? So if you can talk a little bit
yeah,
about that, or, what actually made you get into fitness? Like,
yeah,
for me, if I'll tell you why I got this pull-up bar is because I always had that thing that nahi workout to karna hai, but time is a clinch with me. So the problem is
yeah.
my interest is more towards, talking to people, making videos, acting. Matlab,
Yeah.
I have a different set of my own interest.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah,
I,
yeah,
I wasn't able to get that 1 hour of time or half an hour of time on a daily basis. So I thought that I will do
yeah,
this. Even this is not working properly, I mean, in that sense. But at least I have that, अच्छा मुझे अगर 2 बार pull up करना है, there are a lot of exercises that I don't even know the name. I just browse on YouTube and I do that.
yeah,
Irrespective of the
yeah,
days, irrespective of the body parts कि आज ये करना है वो करना है, but I do that. So
yeah,
at least I'm
yeah,
happy that I am doing it. तो यार वो एक
yeah.
कुछ ऐसा रहा क्या आपके साथ? Have you ever been through something that you thought of that नहीं अब तो फिटनेस पे भी ध्यान देना है, तो anything like that?
Yes, actually, I'll tell you, it's a very funny way how I started getting
Okay.
into fitness. I used to be with LVDS, Ludh Vijay's dance studio. I was an instructor
Okay.
there, and as an instructor, like we always used to have certain choreographies ready. We used to always keep inventing new choreographies, and then like
Correct.
show it to the people. Just ask how it's going to be and stuff like that. So we used to do this more often. And I don't know if you guys know, it's Ludh Vijay himself.
Okay.
Like we had like a large audience. One of the weekends, we decided let's just show it to the the class members basically. We had a large audience, and we just started dancing, and we were like all good, and the dance choreography was amazing, and but what I expected from Ludh was he just pointed out my tummy. He's like, what the hell is that? And it
Actually,
was so embarrassing.
embarrassing. Pretty much, I understand. Yeah.
What the hell? Like talk about dance. Like at least I have an audience. Like don't embarrass me in front of them. Then somewhere it just triggered like something inside me. I was like, this is not fair. He can't just do that to me. So it was almost like let me show this guy like I can do this,
Correct.
So
Correct.
that's when I took up fitness. But obviously at that time I didn't know much about fitness. So I used to be one of these people who just thought, okay, crash diet, or probably like don't eat at all or starve, things like that. But maybe I was like way too young then, so my body kind of like cope up with all the things that I put it through.
Correct.
But
Correct.
slowly I understood that that's not the way of fitness, or that's not the way of to get into being fit or losing
Correct.
some weight
Correct.
or losing
True.
fat
True.
or inches or anything.
Correct.
So I
Correct.
just started like anybody else. Even I was on and off because I wasn't enjoying that much. I was just thinking it's a pain because I have to like give up on something that I really like chocolates, and I used to binge eat on chips. Like you won't believe. Like I used to eat like 2-3 kgs of hot chips. Like
Those days. Correct.
so that was really painful. But after a few days, or like I would say after like a year or so, what inspired me is the change that what I actually felt, Suddenly people notice that it's like, hey, you're looking good, and suddenly like
That
people
one
notice, like,
remark. That one remark.
yes, that one remark. And suddenly people are like, is there something like you've been doing? Like, or at least this dress is looking nice on you. Or something like really inspiring,
Exactly.
comments like that
Correct,
actually
correct.
drives you. And
Correct.
being a woman, trust me, that is actually
Definitely. That's true.
something
That's true.
which really would want to, push you to always look good, So that is another way that it just like got me, kept coming back to this this feeling that it's like an awesome feeling to be there. That's all about. How it's still going on, by the way, because people still can't guess my age. So, bingo.
That's true. And I don't want to put this here, but that's true that people cannot, gauge your age by any chance. That's pretty much true.
Yes, yeah. Of course, it's just sweet 16. So,
And that should always be. Like, even I tell to people that if you wake me up 3 in the night and ask my age, probably it will be like,
Yeah.
19, 20, 22. I mean, that's how I
Yeah.
build my mind.
Yeah.
मतलब,
And
वैसे
you
तो
know
यार,
how people who are into a bit of a creativeness and
hmm,
into fitness and all of that, they don't really like care about your number, like age
exactly. That's
as
true. That's
a
true.
number. So
That's
it's
true.
that's how it's going.
I remember one of your video where you are competing with a guy in the gym. So both of you were lifting it was
Deadlifts.
actually deadlifts. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I was astonished to see that video that you as a girl and then there is a guy and he seems to be quite a strong man, looking
Yeah, he's
that
my
person is
trainer basically.
okay, he's your trainer. Okay. So when I saw that video, I was like, how is it possible for a girl to do this? I mean, generally we do not get these days. It's true that we are getting a lot of girls to see in the gym the way they are working out extensively and not focusing more on the
Yeah.
looks in the gym, but rather focusing on actually, working out. So that
Which
was
is a
one,
good thing, right?
which, yeah, that's a good thing. That's what I'm saying. So that
Yeah.
was one of your
Yeah.
video, and I shared that with a lot of my friends also. And I was like, so this is something where people can be inspired if somebody is actually getting into fitness. And I mean, looking at
Yeah.
this girl, the way you have been working out then extensively. So that was
Yeah.
one video that was, amazing when I actually saw that. And how about your,
Yeah.
the big box theory? So you started the big box theory because, it's pretty much hard for me to believe that once a girl who had kgs of hot chips and then all of a sudden you yourself launched and, you are playing the role of a nutritionist. So the big box
Yes.
theory. So what was
Yes,
that
it
big
all
box theory?
started, when I started getting into the workout. So it's about feeling good,
Correct.
Suddenly when you just transform yourself, you just realize what you've been doing to yourself is actually bad. It's like, oh my God, I cannot afford this anymore.
Correct.
And I've been like wanting to start a business and stuff like that. And I just thought that there's a gap between
Correct.
people who wants to lose weight and people who wants to like eat right,
Correct.
A
Correct.
lot of people find it difficult to actually cook and eat the right thing. So
Correct,
because
correct.
of which, what they do, they land up ordering outside, or they just land up eating whatever money or like anybody who makes at home. So I just figure out people who are into eating clean is something like they're not able to either know what exactly to eat or don't have time to cook, because it takes a little bit of time to like source your thing and then store it and then do that on a regular basis. And we being Indian, we have like a big, like a taste bud which we cannot like compromise really. We cannot be the one who eats bland salads and stuff like that and be fine. We just have to like
Correct.
find out what are the better options which can be tastier at the same time really healthier, so
Correct,
that is
correct.
when I just put all my experience together and I just started bringing all the recipes together and then just started making something like this. I actually started this off as like an individual giveaway. Like I had my colleagues who just kept asking me, why don't you help me, because my marriage is around the corner, I want to lose some weight and stuff like that. That's how it technically started. So when they really started seeing the change, they actually pushed me to start it as a business. So that's when Big Box Theory like came into existence. And like obviously I was already in touch with like a lot of people who was into workout and stuff like that, so it was easier for me to just reach out to them.
And it's definitely a nice name, like it's a fancy name, Big Box Theory. So
yeah,
so
because
it
I had
actually
to like
strikes the mind.
send it in packed boxes, so like I just thought maybe something like really nice. Oh, sorry.
Nice. No worries, it's okay. Isn't
Yes.
Yeah. So, when you talk about fitness, Shudha, so body fitness is one thing and the mind fitness is another thing. So
Right.
how do you connect both of them? Like I understand if somebody is focusing on, working out and getting into, trying to get themselves fit. So
Yeah.
are those interconnected, or how much or till what extent is the impact on their, mind fitness as well when they start working out? Or probably with your experience, if you can share something.
It definitely is interconnected. There's no doubt about it at all. Like, no second thought about it. It starts here, it ends here.
Okay.
It's as simple as that. The inception of your body transformation has to start here. You have to make up your mind. You have to fight against all your, comfort zone, and then push yourself to get out there. But
Correct.
what it gives you back is the confidence, the level of clarity, and especially in the time of decision making and discipline, in your life. So it's all the rewards that you get out of workout. And it's not just about yoga or like a gym or like anything. I'm just talking about, let it be like a morning walk.
Correct.
But that discipline, what you get in your body, right? Like wake up in the morning, don't miss your morning walks. That automatically, streamlines your thoughts. It automatically brings discipline in your body and in your mind.
So true.
And at the time that you are actually confused, you just don't know what to do. I
Correct.
mean, if you are probably like, if I was 5 years back and had to deal with the same situation what I am right now, I would not make the same decisions.
Right.
Like,
Correct.
we've all made blunders, and I only wish I was this clear then. So that is what is the reward that you get out of fitness. And what I've also noticed is a lot of friends of mine who've been like, like my girlfriends, like who's been like a mother, who's been like a wife, who's been like through a lot of phases of their life, have got like a lot of rewards, because of one simple thing, which is a small, workout regime in their, schedule during the day.
Correct.
They've had like me time because of that, which is like really, really important.
Much important, very important. Yeah.
Yes, and because of which they actually don't have so much of stress about what am I doing? Get up in the morning, cook for that, blah blah blah. No, let me just take some time off and do some. So that brings
Correct.
like a lot of confidence. It makes you a different personality altogether, I think.
Altogether.
And it slowly starts reflecting. People around you start noticing something like that. People around you start respecting you, because
Correct.
any person who is working out needs that discipline. The only thing which lacks is
true.
people are not willing to give in to that, because they need the sleep more, they need their night parties more than, waking. I'm not saying anything bad against it, even I party, but I'm just saying, like, it just become a lifestyle, which is
That's
what
so true.
is
That's so true.
is it just, like bringing people like down when they just think that it's important. So
true.
It actually gives you so much back that you will never look back and never
Correct.
stop working out, So everybody has to experience this. It's very easy for me to say, it's very easy for you to listen and say, oh, probably, yeah, I don't understand what they're talking about. But once when they experience it, it's amazing. And,
So somebody from the audience, we have something which I needed to hear to start my workout again. That's Arumit. And he also joins Leza at times to host a few of his own guests. Like, he's my co-host at times. So Arumit,
oh, nice.
Like earlier in the session, Shudha had mentioned that if you want to start it today, start it now. Do not wait for Monday or first of the month. So please go ahead and start it. Anyways, so Shudha, we have had a brilliant time till now talking, how, people can build upon their, fitness regime, or if somebody wants to get into fitness, or somebody wants to get into any kind of fitness. So be it gym, be it yoga, one, thing that I feel everybody will take away from this session today is the discipline part, that, everything starts from here. So if we are able to build our mind for once, then our body will start building our mind again and again automatically.
See, our mind is, I'm sorry, I just want to say something, like our mind is built in such a way that it always protects us.
Correct.
The first instinct, or the first thing that the mind wants to do is to protect you. That is
Correct.
how it is designed. Okay.
Right.
So the
Right.
minute that you say that I think I have a pain, I just can't do this, the mind is gonna be like, stop it. You
Stop
know?
it. Right.
That's what is the message that which you give, which the mind gives. But
Right.
that is not where you have to stop. You know, just push it. Just push
Correct.
it. Just keep pushing it. It's very
Correct.
easy. I think he's written, but giving in seems to be so easy. Absolutely. Pleasure
true.
is really, really a thing that which keeps driving you not to do it, because working out is, as I said, it takes an amount of discipline, it takes amount of dedication, and it takes amount of, you know, taking a little time off everything, you know. So I don't think it's easy, but the only thing what I want to say is do it, irrespective of what. Just
Correct.
do it. It is
Correct.
difficult first few times, you know,
Correct.
but consistency helps you get there. So
Right,
you got to
right.
trust and go for it.
That's so true. Anyways, Shudha, so since we have a time constraint and we plan every show for
Yeah.
half an hour, so maybe we'll have to take
Yeah.
this offline. But before that, I want you to, if there is any, I want you to end this with a, nice, happening, funny note. So has it been with you ever कि कैसे रास्ता चलते नहीं? There are a lot of friends of mine who are girls. They say कि gym join करना है, workout करना है, fitness किसी लड़के ने छेड़ दिया तो अगली बार बदला लेना है. तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है क्या, कोई फनी इंसिडेंट आपके साथ? कभी ऐसा हुआ?
No, not
नहीं हुआ.
really. But then there are a lot of people who I just think I just want to punch him. Like I
Punch.
just want to like do that, because there are a lot of creepy people who just stare at you like that during your workout, and you just get so conscious. You're like, what the hell are you doing, man?
No, it's
So
good
you
that if
want
somebody
to
is trying to
fight-
stalk you, I'm sure if somebody gets your Instagram profile and the moment they sees your,
You know?
the weightlifting that you did, what's that, the term that you used along with your
Deadlifts.
deadlifts? Yeah, exactly. Looking at your deadlifts, I'm sure no guy would ever dare to, come
I
around
think
you,
I
come
should
close
start
to you.
posting most of those kind of workout. Yeah.
Correct. That's so true. That's so true. Anyways, Shraddha, we had a lot of viewers today. This entire video, we'll post this on IGTV post edit. But I'm sure people had got great takeaways from you, knowing that you are a nutritionist. I mean, you had your own business of, calorie calculated food supply business that you had. Plus, you yourself, you are a big time, fitness enthusiast, fitness coach, I would say, for that matter, looking at, how extensively you yourself train and then you let others train, and whatever that you have spoken today, bringing your dedication and discipline part, how to build upon or take your fitness regime ahead. So I'm sure that's a good takeaway for everyone today with you. And once this video is uploaded on our Leza profile, please do share with your friends. And one thing that we always say that about Leza, that Leza is a platform of storytelling, and it can be in any form. All that we need to do is we need to just put some contents together, and the entire story should come out to be inspirational or something that can bound people together. So the idea is that people can come together and they can build upon this community and
Inspire each other.
Inspire each other. Before you, I had a friend of mine, Ravi. He was live with me, and we were talking about that. Why is it that every time we have to look for people who are big shots or people who are celebrities, and we have to consider them as an idol, or we have to look only for the source of inspiration in them? Rather, there can be people around us. So we should talk more about that. It can be in a way that they themselves feel motivated when we promote them, when we talk to them. Or it can be that at times, even if I'm able to inspire one person in my life, I believe I'm doing a great job. So absolutely, that's the idea of Leza. So please let us know again. Definitely I told you that whenever we have the dance session going on, keeping that in mind that you have to come live. And otherwise, you can feel free to come live with us any day, reciting any of your other stories or any other incident that you have. And you can get your friends along with yourself. If you want to come and host any of your friend, you can definitely come and host any of your friend, and it will be great fun. Okay? Thank you so
Prashant.
much.
As I mentioned, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for this initiative. And I hope some takeaway has definitely happened.
I'm sure.
I will be more than happy. Do
Thank you
let
so
me
much.
know, guys.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much. Thanks, audience. A huge shout out for all those 30 to 35 people we had today. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Bye. Bye,
Bye bye.
guys.
Bye.
Good evening. Bye,
Bye.
Prashant.
Bye.